Yeah. Holidays surprise a lot of people. Right. With some picnics, enjoy and smoke. Right. Nice. Made from the contemporary of the Pulau. So I ordered gnocchi bolognese, cost $22. The flavour quite nice.
We have the second dish. It's called it
Cubana.
ham,
Gherkin, cheese, and that tastes, yeah, alright. The lemon, not much lemon flavour though in it.
and we have this is cookies, Italian cookies.
Peanut toffee, that one's peanut toffee. And that one is soft honey biscuit. So we just got back to the car from Five Dock, from the Ferragosto Italian Food Festival. It was a good day out.
How about the first food?
Busy.
The first food we got is gnocchi.
It was alright. I reckon it was alright. The meat was a bit salty. Was it worth the money?
The cost 20. If you go to the restaurant, you will have like proper dish and a nice place.
$20 for a small plate.
Probably 6 out of the 10 star.
God, I would give,
Because he like pasta, so he give the rate.
overall, I would give it 8.5. That could have been better. Could have been more stores to visit instead of food. But apart from that, yeah, I'd give it 8.5 out of 10.
For the pro, it's a lot of choices. And
The
a lot
food
of
was
Italian.
alright.
The atmosphere, most of the Italian. For the cons, because we don't have any place to sit down to eating. That's my pro. How about you?
Don't you mean con? What pro?
Oh yeah, con. For the cons, there is not so many place to sit down to eat the food. A lot of people standing, so yeah, probably they need to put some chairs to sit down.
Overall, the food was good. There was a lot of food stores. Yeah, small stores. And maybe half of what they had of food.
I saw some food that not necessary in Italian, which is like a potato. What's called that? The potato.
Potato chips.
Potato.
Yeah,
potato
that wasn't
steak.
necessary.
You can get that anywhere. So it's and pizza from Italy.
Pizza is from Italy.
I'm not big fan of pasta. It's because she like pasta, so yeah, we going that place.
I think, overall, mostly there was a lot of pros, but there was some cons. So there was like no seating, as Novi said. There should have been more things, more shops there, more stores to buy things. There was hardly anything there. The weather was excellent. What else?
The one thing I miss is an octopus, grilled octopus. I know it's not Italian, but yeah, I miss that one. The queue is very long.
Oh yeah,
Octopus.
yeah, octopus. Yeah, that. Yeah, not Italian at all. That was actually Greek. Just comment and click below to subscribe.
This is our first time, so it's messed up. So put the comment below which place in Sydney you want us to visit.
And subscribe.
Bye.
See you in the next video.